Hi everyone, this is Tech Ken here, and today I'm going to show teachers how to use Google Slides. The reason that we even care about Google Slides is because some programs or files don't let kids write on stuff you want them to write on. Like you can't type on stuff you want the kids to type on. This is how you make that happen. It's called Google Slides. So for the first step, you're gonna have to probably take a screenshot picture from Microsoft Word or whatever math program you're using or whatever. Here's how to do a screenshot. Here's what we want to happen, and then I'm gonna show you how to get to it. We wanna just be like, hey, I'm gonna take this image, put it in my Google Slides, stretch it out, and then now the kids can write on it. That's what we want, like that. Now here's your biggest problem right now. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is basically like the enemy of the state right now. Because if you have a Microsoft Word file saved, like let's say, oh, blah, 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 I'm going to save this to my desktop, right? If you drag a Microsoft Word, see it says docx, into Google Slides, there's a huge chance however nicely this stuff looks, whatever is in your Microsoft Word, it's gonna be all messed up in the wrong spots. It's not gonna be able to format itself in Google Drive. So, this is the secret. That's why please don't make your stuff on Microsoft Word. Please make everything in Google Drive from now on, especially since it looks like we're going to be doing this for a long time. You're going to take a picture, a screenshot of it. Here's how you do that. On the keyboard, see this command button with a little flower on it? You put your thumb on that. Don't let go. You take your pinky. You put your pinky on the word shift. Don't let go. So I got command and shift. Number 4. Press it once. And now see this came up like crosshairs? You put it in the corner. Click with your thumb. And then with any other finger, just pull it big, move it around. When everything you want is inside, you just let go with your fingers. I'm just going to take a picture. Listen. That's the sound of a screenshot. When you take your fingers off, it does it. And now that is right here. The screenshot is what you're going to use. You're going to drag the screenshot into Google Classrooms, not docx's, because most likely they'll turn out a huge mess. Anything you need to screenshot, like from Microsoft Word or any program that you need kids to write on, use this method. So here's how to allow a kid to write on something that the computer won't let them write on. What you do is you go to New, you go Google Slides, yellow. By the way, I'm in, my drive, my Google Drive. Google Slides. Here's all this stuff. Themes, you can just X out to clear away. I'll make this big. And you can get rid of this by clicking on it and press delete. Click on this and press delete. Now if you want to change the paper to look like a regular sheet of paper, not a sideways one, you can go File, Page Setup, and see they have it widescreen. I just do custom, and then what a piece of paper is like 8.5 by 11 inches. Now it's the shape of a regular paper. Okay, so let's say that I have this math file from some program that's locked up, or the screenshot that I took that looks like this, but kids cannot write on it, but I want them to. So what you do is you take this file from wherever you have it and you pull and drag it onto Google Slides like that. Now we want to fit the screenshot onto the sheet of paper perfectly. Whatever's not inside the piece of paper, the kids can't see it. Now what we'll do is see these little squares here. These squares can shrink it or grow it, either one. Then you can go sideways. The ones that pull in the most are the very corners. The ones that are in the middle go like up and down, side to side. Okay, so now we have that. But now the kids still can't write on it. So what we're going to do is, well, I'm going to name it up here. This is going to be like addition problems. I want to add places for them to type. So I'll click Insert Text Box. And now, see how my arrow turned into like a plus sign? So I want them to type the answer right here. So you put the plus where you want it, then you click on the mouse or trackpad, and you drag it out. And now they can write in that box. See, so now they can type in there. What else you can do is, this is super small. There's two commands on each side of the spacebar on the Mac. You put your thumb on command, and then basically we're going to zoom in and out. So you can just hold command, you can press minus a lot to shrink, or plus a lot to grow, or vice versa. And then if you want to just get back to regular size, press 0. Or minus, one of the two, to make it bigger like that. See, then this stuff gets small, whatever. It's like a little bit of a pain. Here's the same thing again. See, it's a box and it's got those little squares to pull it on. So what I do is, instead of insert new one, is you just click on it once. Then on the Mac, you hold the button Command, which is next to the space bar, and you press the hold Command and press the letter C once. That copies it. Then go to a new spot, hold Command. Command means I'm making you do it. I command you to do it. So hold the Command button now and press the letter V. See how a new one popped up? Just put it right where you want it. And just keep doing that. Command V. Put it right where I want it. Command V. Put it right where I want it. So now the kids can type in all these spots. Another trick, especially for the little kids, is, see this paint bucket, fill color? If you click on one of these boxes, so it lights up, text boxes, and then press fill color, now the kids totally know where to write. And you can Command C, Command V that. There you go. If you need to make it smaller, you just shrink it and all that like that. So yeah, I know in the lower grades some people are using the colors and saying type on the colors. Another trick that you might want to use is when you make a text box, so it doesn't disappear. See right here, this pencil, it says border color. Press it, press black, and then when you click away, the text box has a clear box. The kids don't have to guess where it is. And then you can just Command C, Command V that. Now, the only problem with this, and I've gotten in touch with Google and they have confirmed it, is that you can't lock these boxes on. So if a kid, sometimes you'll find a kid's typing and they're like, oh, they accidentally shrunk it like that. Oh, great. They can pull it back. I'm going to teach them about this on their video, but that's a problem that happens. Or they're like, oh, it's gone. Oh, but at least it's there, right? So we have that. And then we can just share it. So this is called addition problems. And, you just share it in your Google Classroom, and now kids can type on anything. This is honestly the best way to do this, especially since we'll be doing it for a while, and it's free, and it's not going away, and they just keep improving on it. So, see you next time.